सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
In PM Modi's fifth address to the nation, Prime Minister announced a Rs 20 lakh crore special economic package equivalent to almost 10% of India's GDP and gave a clarion call for Atmanirbhar Bharat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi confirmed that there would be a fourth phase of lockdown, reiterating it to be completely different with new rules than the three national lockdowns. With 3,525 new cases and 122 deaths in the last 24 hours, India's total number of coronavirus cases has reached 74,480 and 2,415 people have died from the virus so far. In the last 24 hours, 1,026 new coronavirus cases were reported in Maharashtra. Total COVID-19 cases in the state has now risen to 24,427, while 5,125 have recovered and 921 have passed away. Mumbai's coronavirus tally soars to 14,781 with 426 new cases. Death toll rises to 556 with 28 more fatalities. With almost 800 new cases on Monday, Tamil Nadu has now overtaken Delhi as the state with the third biggest caseload of novel coronavirus in the country. Tamil Nadu now has 8,002 confirmed cases, while Delhi had 7,639. Delhi reports 406 new infections, takes total cases to 7,639, out of which 2,512 have recovered and 86 have passed away. Kerala brings total cases to 524, out of which 489 have recovered and 4 have passed away. 110 new coronavirus cases were reported in Bengal, bringing the total reported cases of coronavirus in Bengal to 2,173, while 612 have recovered and 198 have passed away. Karnataka brings total cases to 925, out of which 433 have recovered and 31 have passed away. Gujarat COVID-19 count inches closer to 9,000, death toll at 537. Rajasthan reports 87 new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the total number of cases in the state to 4,213. National carrier Air India and its subsidiary Air India Express operated a total of 14 flights to bring back stranded Indians under the Vande Bharat mission. Twitter in a statement announced a new policy permitting all of its employees to work from home not only through the current coronavirus pandemic but also indefinitely afterwards if they want to. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to address media at 4 p.m. today to share details of economic package announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. On the international front, 43,42,685 have been COVID-19 infected globally. The total number of deaths from the disease now stands at 2,92,893. New Zealand reported 0 new cases of the coronavirus on Wednesday, the second day in a row without any new cases and the fourth day since early last week. China reports 15 new COVID-19 cases as Wuhan gears up to test its 11 million people. New York has seen 100 children with illness linked to coronavirus. The US, which has the highest number of cases in the world, is seeing a decline in the number of new cases being added daily. Since May 7, when the country added more than 27,000 cases in a single day, it has witnessed a fall in daily new cases for 4 straight days. On Monday, the country reported fewer than 20,000 cases in a day for the first time since March 28. Holding China responsible for the origin of the coronavirus pandemic, which has killed over 250,000 people globally, US National Security Advisor Robert O'Brien stated that as many as 5 plagues have come out of China in the last 20 years and at some point it has to stop. Saudi Arabia to enforce nationwide 24-hour curfew for Eid holiday. The European Union will push to unlock borders as coronavirus ravages travel and tourism. Bureau Report, NMTV News.